If you want to open an automatic motorbike wash, how much will the total cost be? Is it too expensive? Can a small space be installed? Is transportation and installation complicated? These are questions that many people wonder about when learning about the automatic motorbike wash model. The interesting thing is that each store and each area has a different investment level. The real cost is not just the money to buy the machine, but a complete solution from operation, attracting customers, to create stable profits. In this video, Go&Go will take you through the whole journey so that you can clearly see that owning an automatic motorbike wash is not just buying a machine, but entering a smart, effective, and growing business model in Southeast Asia. When you decide to invest, the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash machine will be carefully packaged at the factory, from the steel mold, the body and roll, the high-pressure nozzle, the control panel, the sensor are all soundproof and are carefully sealed. Each part is packaged according to export standard to minimize risk during transportation. Next, the entire system will be transported by truck to the port to be ready for export. Transported to your country and region, you will see professionalism right from the step. No need to worry about delay or missing accessories. When the machine arrives, Go&Go technical team is ready to be present at your installation site, surveying the site for the last time. They trace the area, paste, power source, water tank, and drainage system. Only when all factors are suitable, the installation process begins. After installation, Go&Go will test run the machine to check the washing speed, water pressures, and cleaning efficiency of every corner without causing stresses. Even with high-speed vehicle, the difference of Go&Go is that it not only delivers the machine, but also transfers the entire operating technology. You will be instructed on how to turn on and off the machine, set the washing mode using the hand sprayer to handle stubborn stain, manage revenue remotely, and even try this to have customers come back many times. After just one session, you can completely operate the shop professionally and confidently. It makes a day of operating a Go&Go automatic motorbike wash. With only one operator, the shop can wash more than 100 bikes per day. It's located in a densely populated area near markets, schools, supermarkets, or apartments. The number of customers can be even higher. You no longer have to worry about soft line or paying salaries on days when there are no customers. The machines operate continuously and stably, and the number of bike washes is automatically counted. The cost of electricity, water, and chemicals is only about 10 cents per pipe, while customers pay from $2 to $3 per wash depending on your area. Clear profits, fast capital recovery, and you can completely expand the chain if you want. In addition, Go&Go also supports you comprehensively from strategy, business to marketing on how to attract customers on the opening day, how to retain loyal customers. When investing in an automatic motorbike wash, you not only own the equipment, but also own a tactic and optimized business model. In addition to operational and control efficiency, many people decide to invest in the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash for customer experience. Today, it has changed very clearly. Customers no longer like to wait long, especially on hot months or peak days, like the end of the year. An automatic wash only takes 2 to 4 minutes, 3 to 4 times faster than hand washing, but still clean the entire body of the bike. Customer just needs to bring the bike in, sleep, and rest for a few minutes, and get that bike out clean without having to wait long. This convenience creates a new habit, making customers come back more often than with traditional washes. Another point is that automatic motorbike washes are very easy to manage. You don't need to stand by the worker. Don't worry about lack of staff. Don't worry about the quality of the wash, sometimes being good, sometimes being bad. Automatic motorbike wash provide more consistent, stable, and professional quality. Another important factor is the trend. This is a good time for you to get ahead of the market. Occupy a good location and create a habit of automatic motorbike wash for customers around the area. When customers are familiar with the speed, cleanliness, and professional experience of the machine, they rarely come back to wash by hand. And now the question that many of you are certainly interested in. How much does it cost to install a complete automatic motorbike wash? In fact, the cost will vary depending on the manufacturer, the areas and business premises, the type of the machine purchased, the current status of electricity and water, geographical correlation, as well as other accompanying factors. Therefore, there is no fixed number that applies to all. If you want to experience the machine directly and receive effective investment, strongly advised, you can go to Go&Go. Here you will see the machine in action, receive instructions on how to use it, how to operate it optimally, and learn tips on how to attract customers. Helping yourself operate easily and bring in real profits at the market stage from hand washing to automatic washing. Those who are there early will have the advantage of leading. Just a part of that message can open up opportunities. Thank you for watching the video. If you are interested in the automatic motorbike wash model, a stable business solution, easy to operate, and not depending on workers, please contact us immediately for detailed advice and receive a complete package suitable for your premises.